is Mark David and welcome to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. This tutorial today I'm going to show you how you can run a Facebook campaign using your mobile phone and using the application called MetaHit. So if you don't have the application MetaHit Manager, first you go on your Play Store on your mobile device and search for MetaHit. And in this situation, I've already installed the same application, so let's get started and see and show you step by step how you can run a Facebook campaign. So here you go. As you see in my application, I recently ran some Facebook campaign, which I like. As you can see, usual my page here it reached about 59 likes and I reached about 12,800 people. Yeah, I've used as usual, as you can see. Now if you want to run a Facebook campaign in your using the same application as Facebook, let me show you now step by step. So as you can see the application, you come here and then you guys, so when you reach at this stage, this is now where you have to make sure that you have logged into your right Facebook account, and the campaign where you want to run it's your right Facebook page. So in my case here, I'm just on my account, I'm just managing one Facebook page, you can see, which is McDavid Hearts here. So now when I want, here it gives me a lot of options, maybe why I'm running my Facebook campaign. Is it for page right? Is it for me to receive a lot of messages? Is it for me to reach more people? Is it for my website? Is it for my video views? It is for my post engagement. So let me show you for page likes. I'll come here for page like, I'll click here. That's it true. Now when you come here, it will give me a lot of all my image in my camera roll and all the image in my page image. As you can see on my page image, these are the posts that I've posted recently on my page. Now let's say for instance I want to create just a new post which I want to run for my campaign for the business. So I'll come on my image row here, I'll click here image row, and then I'll start searching my gallery which image I want, the image I want to run for my campaign. I'll just select randomly for the sake of this video. I'll run this image. So after I've selected image, you can still select multiple of image when you want to run the campaign. I'll just select one image for now, and then I'll click on this arrow on the right here at the bottom. So as you can see the image here, here on top it is giving me another option. If I want to add an extra image for my campaign, I would add another extra image. So in this case I'll just write up just like this. So in this case it's showing me what is your primary text, maybe are you selling some product here, photograph business and add music promo. Also I'll just search photograph roots. I'm selling photograph roots, or maybe I'll just write offering for photograph online course, and then I'll come here. After I'm done, if I want my ad, I can select. Maybe you can also link to your Instagram account. So in this case I'll just say, as you can see how it has come, offering online course, offering photograph online course. So again I'll click next on my button here. Again now this is where it shows me who should see your page. People haven't liked your page yet, so I'm targeting it is the way I'm running my campaign. When you're running a campaign maybe for your business, for any type of business you're running, is my target is people that haven't liked my page. If I want people that haven't liked my page to see my head, I'll click here, I'll click this option on, and then if I want to set my audience, I'll edit all my audience here. here it showed me the process. You can, like, it gives you where you want your maybe Facebook to run your head, like where you want Facebook to show more your campaign you are running. So here it gives you type cities, you can add multiple cities of countries. We have just typed it is Lusaka, Zambia, and paste in Zambia. Now for the sake of an example, the age-ment, here it shows the age-ment which people want to reach. That's from 13 to 65 plus. I'll set maybe 17, 15. It's up to your choice, like whichever age-ment you want to do. On gender, I'll select all gender, men and women, because I want my business, I want my head to reach to all gender. So after this, there's nothing more to add here. Details, targeting, you can add some, include people, how much. I think this option is not necessary. I'll just click yes, and then update existing audience. I'll just click on update my existing audience. After I'm done with, again I'll click next and I'll click on here. Now here, this is now where you have to set your budget. What is your budget for your Facebook campaign? Are you running it daily or it's a lifetime? So when you run it for a lifetime, it actually means your Facebook campaign or ad, when it gets activated, will be just running like every day. That means that Facebook will be charging you extra charges in your crediting account. So my budget, let me add my daily budget here. I'll come here. Maybe I'll just write my daily budget with maybe $3. So the according with your budget, that's the number of people Facebook that are going to reach you. If I type $500, then Facebook will make sure that there is up to maybe 2,000, 3,000 people. If I type like $3 daily, my post, they make sure Facebook will run the breaching an approximate of maybe 3,000, 2,000, 4,000 there people. So let me, for the sake of this video, just click $5 here. And then do I want my Facebook to start running now? Start now. I'll click start now. If you want to set maybe for your Facebook to start running maybe for another day, you can set the date here, you can set the time. As in this case, I'll just click here start now. As you can see, there is this option, run ad continuously. You can't run when you turn on this, like run ad continuously. It actually means your ad will be just running. It's the same as lifetime. It's the same as Facebook will be just charging into your credit card. So fast for now, for the sake of this video, I'll turn off the run ad continuously. Then after I'm done with this stage, how many days do I want my Facebook, my campaign to run? You can set the day. It's 3 days, it is 5 days of 1 day. You can set, I'll just set for 1 day, and I'll click next. And then here it's loading, so the Facebook start viewing my campaign. Here they are still previewing, still waiting. So as you can see, this is how it's going to show. It's going to show like this, everything, the audience, target budget, everything. So when I press, the moment I press what it actually means, like my ad automatically will start running, and then so account, what type of payment does Facebook allow to run your ad? So let me show you on the payment methods here. So when you click on the payment method here, you'll find you can add, there are several methods here. You can add a Visa. In my case, I've added my Visa. In this case, you can add a MasterCard. Depending, you can add your PayPal account, everything. So mine, I've already added my Visa. Make sure when you add a Visa which is working, and then I'll click close. After this, now I'm done with my Facebook page. I don't want to press an order because I don't want to run ahead. I was just doing this for the sake of video. of showing those that doesn't know how to run a Facebook campaign using a mobile app and application called Facebook Meta Ad Manager. So this is how, guys, you can run your campaign. So after you press and hold, it doesn't mean that your ad will start running automatically. So it will have to go in a review process where Facebook have set this algorithm whereby they have to review the content, they have to review the head you're offering for them to approve. If they review, they find that maybe the content you're uploading doesn't comply with your constitution law, or maybe your role, your policy of Facebook, which means Facebook will send you a notification whereby they will say no, your ad doesn't comply with Facebook policies. So if you need to make some extra changes, they will tell you to edit the notification, and then it only takes 30 minutes for your ad to, when you press an order, for it to be activated. And Facebook doesn't charge you in your credit card until your ad is finished running. Now that's when now you can make your payment. When you just press an order, it means that Facebook reviewing. After reviewing, they activate your page, and you'll see how your ad is performing. So that's how it is. So let me show you on my recent campaigns. As you can see, these are the campaigns I ran on September 10th. I ran this campaign and then I reached these people. So that's for now, guys. So I hope in the next video I'll be teaching you now how you can run a campaign just using the direct mobile Facebook, right? And then make sure to subscribe so that you get updated for the latest video concerning a lot of stuff I'll be teaching on my channel. Have a good day. Thank you, guys. And don't forget